I have to share this because I almost made the same mistake I always do. A few weeks ago, I was scrolling through social media when I came across Perfection Clean Results. I saved the post but didn't think much about it. Then everything changed. I had family coming over the next day for a special event, and my carpets, stairs, and couches looked terrible. I needed someone fast. I called Perfection Clean Results, honestly expecting them to tell me they were booked. Instead, they arrived within 3 hours. The team was professional, friendly, and got straight to work. When they finished, I couldn't believe what I was seeing. My stairs looked brand new. My carpets looked fresh again. Even my couches looked like they had just come out of the showroom. But what impressed me even more was the pricing. I've used other companies before. They advertise a cheap price. Then once they arrive, they start adding hidden fees and surprise charges. Perfection Clean Results didn't do that. The price they quoted was exactly what I paid. No hidden fees, no surprise charges, just honest pricing and amazing results. That's why they've become my favorite cleaning company. If you're thinking about having your carpets, upholstery, or stairs cleaned, I genuinely recommend giving them a call. They're currently offering $100 off on 2-room carpet cleaning, along with special offers on other cleaning services. Call Perfection Clean Results today at 978-531-8002. Trust me, you'll be glad you did.